presented by Blackmagic Design, with the participation of Image et Technologie.
Hi, Masashi. Hi. So, new product you're showing today, it's Keyflow Pro. Yeah. So it's you call it a personal asset manager?
Yes, it's yeah. You can use it one single person, but you can also use it among the work group. Multiple people can, of course, use it.
Okay.
Yes.
On many computers,
many
right?
computers. Okay. Yes.
So what's the workflow in Keyflow?
Yeah, here you can start creating library first, and then after you create library, you can make a new project. Okay, I will make a project, empty project right now. And then all you need is just a drag and drop new media, including video, audio, still image, PDF, yeah, whatever file.
Cool. And from there, I see. Oh, you've got. It says from the folder you've imported. It says that there's that much video, that much images, and other files.
Exactly.
And you can filter and just import. Like let's say now you won't import the audio, but just the video.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Great.
You can filter out. And here is you have option. You can copy to Keyflow library. You can copy the high res, original media. Copied into the library, or you can just leave the file in place. Okay. This time I will choose leave files in place. And this here, this checkbox is to import media and make the tag automatically. Okay. Yeah, from the folder name. So in this case, new sources, this folder name will be automatically added to all the data. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and import. So as soon as import process started, it will create a thumbnail as well as a preview file. You can see this background monitor. It's busy creating preview files.
Okay, so it's already like compressing. You have like 2H264 right now.
Exactly. Okay. Yes, and you have a option to select the resolution of the preview file and also the data rate. Yeah, you can choose it. I'm just using the default. Yeah.
So, and what's the engine behind that? Is it QuickTime?
Database engine
for the video.
For the video. So making the preview file, we use either AV Foundation, which is for QuickTime, and other file like MXF or RED file. We use FFmpeg for creating a preview.
So you can process RED files and MXF too.
Actually, I'm sorry. For the RED file, this external transcoder is going to be used. Sorry. Okay. So other MXF file is handled by FFmpeg, and RED file is going to be handled by this external.
Great. Wow.
Yeah.
Cool. So once you have your file in a library and a project, what can you do with that?
You can just, of course, you can preview. You can quick look. This quick look is high res file. If you double click, like this, it's a preview file. Yeah. H264, and you can use JKL like this, and you can make a marker, keyword stuff, and you have tags. It's corresponded to Finder tags. So if you already have a Finder tag in your file, it's automatically imported. Yes. Okay. And based on these tags, these flag and rating, star, 3-star, 4-star, 5 stars, and these color labels. Based on that, you can search media. Okay. Yes.
Great. And once you, what can you do with these tags and markers? Yes. So you will need to sometimes export this.
Yes. So on top of these, Finder tags and flags and ratings, You can make markers here and also the keyword range. So for example, this particular clip has a bunch of markers and keyword range. It can be exported directly to Final Cut 10, Final Cut 7, and Premiere. So for example, I'm going to send this clip with a bunch of markers and keyword to Final Cut 10, and I just choose library, choose it, it's imported. Now you have all the, so this is basically a keyword range already.
You have all the keywords that got imported to by smart libraries.
Yes.
Keywords.
Yes. So all you need is just to make a new project, and just drag and drop, or just type E to make an edit.
Cool.
And if you are done with making a project, you can export back to Keyflow as well. So the timeline project can go back to.
Okay, so you can import timelines back in Keyflow. Wow, very cool.
Yeah.
And can you export a report or something that is readable with time codes and?
Yes. For example, you can export like XML file. So for example, XML for Premiere Pro. I'm going to export it to desktop. Oh, it's already there, but I'm going to replace it. Back to desktop, there should be here. You can just drag and drop. And here. It's also
cool, and you've got all the markers right there.
And the keyword range will be used like a comment.
Yeah. And you have something like CVS?
Yes, right here. You can export CVS file from here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this will be easily imported, whatever software, or even Excel.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can use a keyword or marker for transcript, like this. And it's going to be on overlay. It can be overlaid on the video, or you can, turn off overlay.
Once you've edited some and did a proxy or preview file, can you send it by email, or do you have like more basic shared feature like that?
Yes. So for example, like if you have so this clip, you want to share it, you have these options.
Direct to Facebook, YouTube, AirDrop, and email.
Yeah.
Excellent. And what's the workflow button? What is it for?
Workflow is like, for example, so you can add workflow based on the criteria. Like for example, the kind is a video file, and you can add like a date created or date imported within the last 1 hour or 1 week. These criteria, or maybe you can make a name contains flowers like this, and then you can do some actions for that, like for example, add tags, remove tags, or transfer or encode.
Okay.
So
you can automate by metadata some actions you want to happen.
So after you create a workflow, you can associate to a particular project like this, so that every time you import any media, the workflow will be automatically launched, attached, Or you can choose a particular file, and from the right click, you can run workflow individually.
Okay.
Yes.
Great. And can you show me about a bit more about the collaboration or the sharing that is implemented in Keyflow?
Now I have my own library, but there is another computer. There is another MacBook that has their own library. So from the preference library, so you can create a user credential here.
Okay. So they're Keyflow users. They're not like Mac OS user.
It's a Keyflow user, and there's account and password, and it's already set it up over there. So I'm gonna connect to this library, that library, by typing Command K, which is similar to connect to the server.
Absolutely.
And I use Bonjour, and comes up. So that MacBook is called Designer's Mac, and I just use a credential like this. So yeah, only the user can, allow the user can connect to right here.
So right there you have access to the other person's library.
Exactly. Yeah. So and I can, search, or whatever. Yeah. Whatever you. Yeah. The beauty of Keyflow Pro is it works exactly like a Finder. Yeah. So you can just grab it and
it's very similar to iTunes too.
Exactly, and the look and feel is like very similar to iTunes. So you can just drag your file, this PDF or Photoshop file, just copy it on the desktop or send it to whatever creative application you got.
And it's also available on the App Store, I think. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah. So it is available. Regular price is $299.99. But currently, shop price is going on. It's 30% less than the regular now.
Excellent.
Yeah, so for limited time, it's going to be $199.99. Yeah.
Very cool. And so since it's managed by the App Store, if you have many computers on the same ID, you could install on many computers.
It's the same as App Store's, family sharing policy. So you can, if you can use, same Apple ID, you can install it up to 5 Macintosh computer. You can download the trial version from our website.
Are you going to work on an iPad version or accessibility?
Not yet, but yeah,
it could be coming.
It could be. Yeah, who knows?
Yeah. Excellent. Well, thanks a lot. It's an amazing solution. I'm sure when it gets out in the wild, everybody's going to use it. It's very efficient workflow tool to implement in a facility to find back your media and manage all that. Well, thanks a lot, Masashi.
Thank you.